Welcome back to Capi Man4Liquid. Today we're making a tropical banana and pineapple protein shake. It's refreshing, naturally sweet, and packed with nutrients to fuel your day. Let's get started. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which supports normal muscle and nerve function. They also provide vitamin B6 and natural carbohydrates, making them perfect for sustained energy before or after a workout. Pineapple adds natural sweetness and is rich in vitamin C, which supports your immune system. It also contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps break down protein during digestion. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. You should have a rich, silky texture with the perfect balance of banana sweetness and pineapple freshness. And there you have it, a perfect tropical shake. Pour into your favorite chilled glass and finish with a simple tropical garnish. A beautiful presentation makes every drink feel even more special. Creamy, refreshing, and packed with goodness. That's our banana and pineapple protein shake. Thanks for joining me at Capi Man4Liquid. Follow for more premium cafe recipes, and I'll see you in the next episode.